Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Are you a small business that wants to take your email marketing to the next level? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that with using Gifs. Catch the attention of potential and or returning customers. Before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so for this tutorial, we'll be using IG Story template. Canva has a lot of free templates to choose from. I am in the free version right now of Canva, just to show you that you can do a lot with the free version of Canva. So this is a template that I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be using the portrait dimensions for Instagram posts. So this is the biggest Instagram post can be on your page. It's 1080 by 1350 pixels. Now that my portrait dimension is up, I'm basically just going to copy and paste from each tab. So I have two tabs up, which is the Instagram story dimension, and then I'm going to be pasting everything into the portrait dimension. And again, this is the free version of Canva. Just making sure everything is the way that I want it to look. Everything is centered and presentable, because again, I want to catch the attention, the eye of my returning and potential customers. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some really cute text that'll catch the eye. It's going to say new arrival, and I'm going to change it to my hex code for my business. If you don't know what a hex code is, I'll leave a card on the screen of the video that I made describing what a hex code is and why it's important to have your business hex code. So now I'm just resizing it, making it look like I wrote new arrival on the post. Again, I don't have to look for my color. I already know my hex code. I'm going to go to my background colors and make them the same as my business colors, because we want brand awareness and consistency throughout any marketing material. Now I'm going to upload the video that I want to turn into a GIF, and I'm going to resize it so that it fits the picture frame. And then I'm going to copy the video on the other two picture frames. This just saves me some time. I don't have to re-upload and recrop. I just copy and paste. This full tutorial took me about 10 minutes, so it doesn't take a lot of time if you know Canva. So I would suggest to go into Canva one day and just play around with the settings, upload pictures, some videos, and see what you can do with Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and trim each video to about 1 second. You don't want the GIF to be too long or it won't upload into your email. So you want to use about 3 to 4 slides and then make each video about 1 second. And what I'm doing here, I'm making sure each clip is 1 second, but I'm also starting the next video where the last video stopped. So you can see that was the beginning of the product, and then the next slide should show what the product is, and then the third slide should, end the video. And the reason why I changed the background of each video, like pink, yellow, and black, is because that will be flashing in the email, which you will see at the end of the video. So again, I'm going to start this video where the other video stopped. And total, the video is about 3 seconds. So we're going to play it to see how it looks. And this is how it'll show in the email. And as you can see, the background is changing colors. So we're going to go ahead and download that. And instead of putting it as an MP4 video, all 3 pages, we're going to click on GIF. And it tells you that a GIF is a short clip with no sound. And that's what we're going to use for our email. And this is what it'll look like in the email you send to your returning and potential customers. And that is how you can take your email marketing to the next level. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.